So this is the little shrine that my friend Shelby does here at the watering hole. And she puts little trinkets, various things. There's a little angel. Happened to the stone. There was a stone here. I'm not sure where it went. Oh, there it is. A stone in a shell. Nothing under there. Feather. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it looks like a mushroom. The water is flowing very slowly, so I'm going to be here a while. Got my car roller out of the car carrier, and what I really need to do is crack my back. Like, mind if I crack my back? That was easy. And did it again. I wonder what it looks like from my view. It looks like that. I wonder what it looks like the other way. Okay. My hat's caught under my roller. There.
Where do we go? Sweet child. Where do we go now? Where do we go now? Na 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 na. Sweet child, sweet child of mine.
Oh, the Rombloods love that. Ooh. So freaking good. Gets the blood flowing. Oh yeah, it's so effing good. Praise Jesus for this roller, for this wood. Thank you, Lord, for this wood that I keep in my car carrier whenever I need it. And I also keep a foot friend massage tool. A Prius just drove by and I swear I wouldn't have heard it and it would have killed me right there on the road. Take it easy, ba-da-da-da, taking it slow. Take it easy, ba-da-da-da, taking it slow. Excuse me while I light my spit. Oh God, I gotta take a whiff. From reality I just can't drift. That's why I'm staying with this riff. Take it easy. Take it slow. Take it easy, baby. Taking it slow. 'Cause we're taking it easy. Ooh la 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 la. We're taking it slow. Ooh la 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 la. We're taking it easy. Ooh la 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 la. We're taking it slow. Take it easy. We're taking it slow. Take it easy. taking it slow. Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I've created some sliding scale coupons for you to use on my site. And I'd really like you to own one of my millet hull pillows at least if you don't get anything else. They're absolutely amazing. And so what I mean by sliding scale is that you can choose to use one of 3 coupons depending on how well off you are, etc. So a coupon good for 5% off is code 5. A coupon good for 10% off is code 10. A coupon good for 15% off is code 15. CODE 5, 10, or 15. Good for those amounts. And so if you need a 15% discount, that's as much as I can give anybody on, these coupons are good for anything on my site, not just pillows, anything you want. There are a few things that are on sale, like my orthotics are already on sale, so you can get the extra discount. But yeah, I really want to get some business going, and I really want you guys to have some healthy products. That's the whole idea with Brett's Natural Health. So thanks so much for joining me. Be well.